What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear. Today again with us we have the GEN3 fat tire folding bike. It's the groove and it's groovy. I think, I hope, I wish, because this is the bike of a gentleman. It's all aluminum, it's exciting. Can't wait to see how fast we can get it. So let's do a speed test. All right, so we're cruising. This is great. It's a steady 20 miles per hour, which is plenty fast enough for this bike. It wants to go faster, and I think that's because it has a 500 watt motor, which is a great motor. 1000 watt peak, so at the zero, it wants to just really go. Acceleration isn't bad. To stop it. We're at a slight uphill grade, so see now 19 again. All right, yeah, we're getting a lot of wind resistance. We live up here in the hills in kind of a canyon, so the wind can be really a drag. All right, let's give this one more time. I'm gonna try to do pedal assist. Yeah, even with pedal assist, it caps out at 20 miles per hour. I'm getting so many texts right now, this is ridiculous. Ooh, I need to raise up the speed. All right guys, so there you have it. That was a speed test. We have officially wrapped it up. The consensus is that this bike lives between 19 and 21 miles per hour. We have a slight grade on our street. So the downhill, which is really only a little bit, 21 miles per hour coming up was 19. It's super windy, but I don't think we're gonna get much more than that. I think it's a 500 watt motor, which has 1000 watt peak power, but it wants to stop at 20. And I think that that's because they governed it at 20 miles per hour because it's a class 2 bike, which is plenty fast enough for this bike. So we're excited to give you guys our first impression. If you're interested in getting this bike, you can check out the link below and stay tuned for our next video. Wow, it's windy.